Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase us in knowledge. Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are all doing well. Students, today we will continue our lesson, The World of Rocks. In our previous class, we had completed 3 points on the topic, how sedimentary rocks are formed, which is on page number 18 and 19 of Geography Alive. Now, let's figure out the next one, that is point D in your book. And for this, I want you all to please look at this picture as well. As it says, about 200 million years ago, many parts of the world were covered with huge swampy forest. As the trees and plants fell to the ground, they were covered by many more and slowly formed layers many meters thick. These too were compressed by movements of the earth and turned into the rock we call coal. Sometimes, when a piece of coal is broken open, you can see the mark of a leaf or twig of one of these long dead trees. Yes, that's what we were talking about, coal. Then we have point E, and for this, please come to the page number 19. Salt, surprisingly, is also a sedimentary rock. Rivers bring tiny amounts of salts down to inland lakes and seas. The water in these lakes and seas evaporates steadily, leaving behind the salts. The water becomes more and more salty. At last, a lot of the salts do not dissolve. They settle down at the bottom layer, layer upon layer, forming sedimentary rock. Here you can see this is what salt looks like before it is processed in factories. Students, you may wonder that these sedimentary rocks appear above the ground. And why is that? Actually, sometimes movement of the earth force the layers of rock deeper underground or high into the air. That is why sedimentary rocks, which were formed hundreds of meters under the sea, are now many thousands of meters above the surface. So students, in this way, we have learned how these precious sedimentary rocks are formed. For example, sandstone, shell and slate, limestone or chalk, coal, and salt. Students, I hope you have all understood what is the sedimentary rock and how it is formed. Now please note down your homework. You have to read page number 18 and 19 of Geography book. Explain how sedimentary rocks are formed. Give 4 examples of sedimentary rocks. Then, in order to understand how these rocks are formed, do the activity given on page number 18 at your home. And that's all for today. Inshallah, see you next time. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.